Hello class 4. In computer we are going to learn checking spellings and grammar, page number 43. The spelling and grammar tool in the proofing group of the review tab helps you to correct spellings and grammar mistakes in your document. It helps you to check the spelling and grammar mistakes in your document that you have already typed. Now, spelling check. The spelling errors in MS Word document are shown by wavy red lines. To correct the spelling errors, follow the steps given here. I have written the steps for you on the computer. I have purposely wrote some spellings wrong. We'll see how to correct those spellings. Now, first, to correct the spellings error, follow the given steps here. Number 1, place the cursor over a word that shows a wavy red line. Place the cursor over a word that shows the wavy red line. That in the first sentence there are some spelling mistakes, but the wavy line is not there now. Number 2, click on the spelling and grammar tools in the proofing group. Now you click on the spelling and grammar tool in the proofing group in the review tab. The spellings of the grammar dialog box appear. Now we'll click on the spelling and grammar tool in the proof group in the review tab. In the review tab, we'll go to the review tab is here, and we'll click on spelling and grammar here. Here. Now the spelling and grammar dialog box open there. The spelling and dialog box have opened here. Okay. Now number 3, there is a suggestion box that provides you a number of options to choose from. Here you can see number of options here. You can see number of options here. Then so you see that provides you with a number of options to choose from. Select the option you want. Click on the change button shown. Click on the change. You click on the change button. The word is corrected in the document and the wavy red line disappears. So wavy red line disappears. Now the word is, now to stop the spelling check, click on the cancel button. To stop the spelling, you click on what? Cancel button here. Red line. Now you go up again. We'll see our mistakes. Now to stop the spelling check, click on it. In addition to the, now we'll see the green wavy line is for grammar. You have to ignore once. Here wavy. Now we have to see the spelling of wavy is wrong. It's not coming, so wavy red line. Now click on the spelling and grammar tool in the proofing group for the review tab we did. The spelling and grammar dialog. Yeah, spelling of dialog is also wrong. Now we will go to the check spelling and grammar. To click on the word to make the spelling, to check the spelling error, we have to place the cursor over the word. That's all here. There's no wavy line here. We have to correct ourselves like this. DIA, spelling of dialog is L-O-G-U-E. After G comes U. UE. Dialog box opens. There is suggestion box that provides you a number of options. Here green way, you just say ignore once. Here also green wavy line, you ignore once. Option choose for select the. Spelling of the is also wrong. We'll press the cursor after R and we press the black space key. And click on the change button. You click on the, there is no space. You give space here. Click on the change button. The word is corrected in the document and the wavy red line disappears. Spelling of disappears also wrong. Disappears. D-I-S. You place the cursor behind after S and press the backspace key. Now your change button, the green way, press it, then ignore once. Now to stop the spelling, click on the, here also you press the cursor and give some space here. Yeah, transfer the addition to the change button, the spelling of S-P-E should be S-P-A. Here place the cursor after A and press backspace key. S-P-E. Spelling and grammar dialog box contains the following buttons. Now in addition, besides this, in addition to the change button, the spelling and grammar dialog box contains the following buttons. The spelling and grammar dialog box contains the following buttons. Number one is ignore once. We choose the ignore once button if we want to ignore the misspelled word and move on to the next misspelled word. We choose the ignore once button if we want to ignore the misspelled word and move on to the next misspelled word. Ignore all. It lets you ignore the particular error in the whole document. Ignore all means it lets you ignore the particular error in the whole document. Add to, next number 2 is add to dictionary. It helps you to add the word to the MS Word dictionary. Change all. If you want to change all instances of the misspelled word, you use the change all. You use the change all button. And autocorrect, it carries all correction on its own while we are typing. Now number 5 is autocorrect. I have not written here. What is number 5? Number 5 is autocorrect. A-U-T-O, autocorrect. C-O-R-R-E-C-T, correct. The last one is autocorrect. So this way you can check the spellings. Okay. Now checking spelling and grammar. Today we complete only about spellings. Okay. In the next class we'll check about grammar check.